Hi, my name is Abigail. I work with CAM Industrial Services. CAM is providing services of waste management to the village of Majorda. Majorda is one of the few villages in Goa that's providing good door-to-door waste collection services of only dry waste in Goa. And this service is essential, and what we have noticed is that the people are also cooperating. Like the people collect their dry waste and they keep it together and they provide it once a week. So the panchayat with the people has instilled good habit of collecting your dry waste and not just chucking it on the road. So over the years they are doing this practice, and so now there is a systematic way in which dry waste is being collected and properly disposed at the proper end destinations. So we are hoping that in the next year, now with the new council also coming in, that more and better services can be provided to the village. Whatever the issues like e-waste or sanitary waste, all of that can be dealt. So because of Amrit Mahotsav today, we have done a drive, a clean-up drive, and we are opening ourselves to a new year and hopefully more and better services and better waste management practices in the village of Majorda.
आमच्या आयज विलेजान गार्बेज ड्राइव केली आमी प्लास्टीक कॅन करपाक विलेज क्लीन दवरपाक एज पार्ट ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ 75 इंडिपेंडन्स डे एंड लायक soon we'll do the MRF facilities to collect all the wet garbage and as well as dry garbage and sanitary pad also. We are finding the place. Right now we are in search of the place. Since now newly body has come, that will place for the meeting and we'll discuss the matter and resolve the issue. And so far it is okay, like villages.
As of we are celebrating the 75th independence year this year. So we have done a cleanliness drive along with CAM, who is doing a garbage collection service of Majorda. That is only the plastic we are collecting, the dry waste, and all along our village we have done it. And so far, though I'm got elected second time, the last year also we have been doing cleanliness drive, and our village is clean as of now. No issues about the thing, but only thing we are finding a place to do the MRF shade so that we can full swing collect the wet as well as the dry, and all the machinery has to be installed, and then afterwards everything will be okay. So we are only finding a place where we can install that all the machinery which is come. So hopefully this year we have to do it, and rest assured, like everything is fine in the village. As of garbage, there are no much issues.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.